There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh herbs and veggies straight from your own home. And guess what? Growing garlic indoors is easier than you might think, even if you're a beginner. Imagine adding fresh, flavorful garlic to all your favorite dishes. It's so satisfying. Plus, growing garlic indoors is a fun project for the whole family. Ready to get started? You only need a few things to grow garlic in water. It's that easy. First, find yourself some fresh garlic bulbs. You'll also need a clear glass jar or container. This lets you see those roots grow. Finally, grab some clean, filtered water. That's it. See? Super simple. Now for the fun part, gently separate the garlic bulb into individual cloves. Don't peel them. Leave those papery skins on. They protect the garlic. Choose the biggest, healthiest looking cloves for planting. They'll sprout the best. Fill your jar with filtered water, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Place your garlic cloves, pointy side up, in the jar of water. Make sure the bottom of the cloves touch the water. That's how they'll drink. Find a sunny spot for your garlic jar. A windowsill is perfect. Garlic loves sunshine. You'll start to see roots and green shoots within a week or two. How exciting! Growing garlic at home can be a rewarding experience, but it's important to choose the right environment for your garlic to thrive. Whether you decide to grow your garlic in water or soil, each method has its own set of benefits and considerations. In this section, we'll explore both options to help you make an informed decision. Once your garlic sprouts are a few inches tall, you have a choice to make. At this stage, your garlic is ready to either continue its journey in water or transition to soil. Each method has its own unique advantages and can impact the growth and flavor of your garlic. You can continue growing them in water, or you can plant them in soil. Growing garlic in water is a simple and convenient method, especially for those with limited space or who want to keep their garlic indoors. On the other hand, planting garlic in soil can provide a more natural growing environment and may result in larger, more robust bulbs. If you keep them in water, just change the water every few days. This is crucial to prevent the growth of mold and bacteria, which can harm your garlic. Fresh water ensures that your garlic receives the necessary nutrients and oxygen to continue growing healthily. This keeps it fresh for your garlic. Additionally, placing your water-grown garlic in a sunny spot can help it thrive. Make sure to monitor the water level and top it up as needed to keep the roots submerged. For soil planting, use a pot with drainage holes and some good potting mix. The drainage holes are essential to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. A high-quality potting mix will provide the necessary nutrients and support for your garlic to grow strong and healthy. Gently bury the cloves, leaving the green shoots above the soil. This allows the shoots to continue photosynthesizing and providing energy to the growing bulbs. Water the soil lightly after planting and place the pot in a sunny location. Regularly check the soil moisture and water as needed to keep it slightly damp but not waterlogged. With proper care, your garlic will continue to grow and eventually produce delicious homegrown bulbs. Whether you choose to grow your garlic in water or soil, the key indicator that your garlic is ready to harvest is when the green tops start to brown and fall over. This is a natural sign that the plant has completed its growth cycle and is now ready to be pulled from the ground or water. The browning of the tops usually happens after a few months of diligent care and attention. Growing garlic is a journey that requires patience. From the moment you plant the cloves, it takes several months for the garlic to mature. During this time, you'll notice the green shoots emerging and growing taller. The leaves will be vibrant and green, indicating that the plant is healthy and thriving. As the months pass, the green tops will start to change color, signaling that the garlic is nearing its harvest time. When the time comes to harvest, it's important to be gentle. Carefully pull the garlic from the water or soil, making sure not to damage the bulbs. The roots will be visible, and they are a good indicator of the garlic's health. Healthy roots mean that the garlic has been well nourished and is ready to be used. Seeing those fresh, healthy roots is a rewarding moment for any gardener. It means that all your hard work has paid off. Holding that freshly harvested garlic in your hands, you can feel a sense of accomplishment. It's a testament to your dedication and care throughout the growing process. After harvesting, the next step is to clean the garlic. Gently brush off any excess dirt from the bulbs. This helps to keep the garlic clean and ready for storage or immediate use. Be careful not to remove too much of the outer skin, as it helps to protect the garlic and keep it fresh for longer. Now that your garlic is clean and ready, it's time to bring it into the kitchen. Freshly harvested garlic has a robust flavor that can enhance any dish. Whether you're planning to use it in a salad, a stir-fry, or a roasted dish, your homegrown garlic will add a delicious and aromatic touch. Enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor the unique taste of garlic that you've grown yourself. Want to enjoy your homegrown garlic for longer? You can dry it. Drying garlic is a simple and effective way to preserve its flavor and nutritional value. After harvesting, allow the garlic to cure by leaving it in a well-ventilated area for a few days. This initial drying helps to toughen the outer skin, making it easier to handle and store. Once the garlic has cured, tie the stalks together in small bundles. Hang these bundles upside down in a cool, dry place, such as a shed or garage. Ensure there is good air circulation to prevent mold and mildew. This method not only preserves the garlic but also adds a rustic charm to your storage area. Over the next few weeks, the garlic will continue to dry. You'll notice the stalks becoming more brittle and the bulbs firming up. This process is crucial for long-term storage, as it reduces the moisture content, preventing spoilage. Once fully dried, the garlic can be stored in mesh bags, baskets, or even braided for a decorative touch. Another excellent preservation method is freezing. Peel the garlic cloves and place them in freezer bags or airtight containers. You can also puree the garlic with a bit of oil and freeze it in ice cube trays for convenient pre-portioned use. Freezing garlic locks in its fresh flavor and makes it easy to add to your favorite dishes. See? So many options to keep your garlic fresh and flavorful all year round. Growing garlic at home is a rewarding experience. It's easy, fun, and you get to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Plus, imagine the delicious meals you can make with your very own garlic. From savory sauces to flavorful stir-fries, the possibilities are endless. So there you have it. Growing garlic at home is a simple joy anyone can experience. Give it a try and taste the difference. You'll be amazed at how much flavor your own homegrown garlic can add to your dishes. Happy gardening!